Welcome back to Check Out the Rileys. My wife told me not to film this, so I broke out the.
Seriously?
Yes, I'm filming it. She told me she's wanting to teach me how to make chicken adobo. Anybody like chicken adobo? But she's not finding one of the ingredients, and I've looked around too, and I don't see it. We can't find the. What is it? The black pepper.
Yeah.
You're not mad at me, are you?
No, but you're just stubborn.
I'm not a good listener. So what? You're sauteing onions and garlic, right?
Right.
Is it? You put oil in there as well?
Little, yes.
Little oil. And does everybody make their adobo the same way?
No.
It's all like a family thing. How your family makes it is how you make it, kind of thing, or you just watched it on YouTube and that's how you know how to make it.
No, Papa just told me how.
Oh, your dad.
Say, do something this. I cooked before, remember?
Yeah, you cooked it in Indiana all the time for me. But this is the way they like it, right?
Yeah. Native. This is native
Native chicken.
chicken, yeah. Yeah. Filipino really loves this native chicken.
Native chicken.
So, what I...
But the native chicken don't have that much meat.
Right, but...
You just eat the bone, huh?
No. Anyway, it's delicious.
Yeah. So you're adding the chicken. And what's been in the chicken so far? Soy sauce?
No, nothing yet.
Nothing? It's just no spices or nothing?
Just the broth.
Oh, broth?
Yeah.
This is cooking time with Mercy Riley. And later on it will be eating time with Bill Riley. That's how we do. Now that's soy sauce, right?
Yes.
And how much do you add in? What's the measurements?
Like a cup.
Like that much?
Like you measured it on your own.
Measure it in the wind, huh? And what do you have the stove set at? 5,000 degrees? You just got the burner on, right?
Yeah.
Sorry I couldn't help you find what you're looking for. I found the pepper that is already ground, but not the...
Hey,
Oh,
I found
is that it?
A1. See A1.
Yeah, it's ours. We sent it here. What are you talking about? Merce, here's some black pepper too. It's grinded though.
Yeah.
It's like I found every kind of pepper but the one she asked me to find her. But you know. And there it is, cooking on the stove. Doesn't look like it's even cooking. What's going on? Just turned on the fan. Maybe I'll turn it back off so it smells better in here. Is this going into it too?
No.
What?
Maybe some fruit salad.
Oh, she's gonna make some fruit salad as well. And that's the stuff that you add the like whipped cream kind of stuff to it.
Right. Whipped or Nestle cream.
Nestle cream is what they call it.
Yeah.
What is that, vinegar?
Sweet and sour, but basic. it. I guess I'm going to the sari store.
Guess she has to take a trip.
Yeah.
The Sari store has what that you need?
The paminta, the big
Pepper
black
seeds?
pepper, yeah, pepper seed.
They have those at the Sari store?
Yeah, and the vinegar.
We don't have vinegar. Oh, I seen the bottle was thrown out of vinegar yesterday.
Huh? It's empty?
Yeah, I seen it. A vinegar bottle. When you start to cook, sometimes you need to make sure
This
you
is
got.
not my kitchen.
Yeah. You got to make sure you got your ingredients ahead of time.
Right.
But sometimes you think you got it and you don't.
Right.
What is that there, Merce?
Sugar.
Oh, sugar, brown sugar. Brown sugar, baby. Is it cane sugar?
Yes.
Ooh. Cane sugar. No wonder it's so sweet and goodness. Now you see my wife's measuring techniques. This equals one and a half
So,
tablespoons.
I did told you not to video.
Please don't try to cook this off of our video. This is for not for educational purposes. This is for eating purposes. Right, Merce? Our cooking is purely for eating, not to watch and figure out what we're doing,
Yeah.
because we don't know. We're rookies. I'm joking. I'm a rookie. Mercy's a master chef. Right, Mercy? She put a lid on it. Now, why did you put the lid on it? So it cook all the way through?
Yeah. The chicken is cooked already, so.
Oh, the chicken was already pre-cooked. She didn't tell me that much. She's off to the Sari store. I don't know how long it's going to take her. She'll go down there and talk. So there's nothing that I can taste test. So I'm probably going to end the video, and be assured that this tastes great and we enjoyed. Thank you for checking out the Rileys. Make sure you give us a old thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Till next time.